On March 29 last year, it was reported that my bias named Channel EXO was enlisted in the military. Military service in South Korea is mandatory for men aged 18 to 35 years. At the time, Channel was around 29 years old and he had to take part in this mandatory military service. One day, Channel immediately updated a post on IG that he wanted to go to the army. This was an unforgettable moment for me because before he enlisted, he was hit by a scandal. Namely, someone claimed to be Channel's ex-girlfriend, and this person who claimed to be an ex-boyfriend said Channel often cheated and had multiple partners while provide content and uploaded photos on social media. But this scandal has been denied by SM Entertainment as the agency that houses Channel. This scandal has been followed up through legal channels. Since the viral scandal, Channel has never appeared in public. After 4 months of Channel on hiatus from the public after the scandal, Channel surprised by uploaded a touch message for his fans. One day, it was reported that Channel was conscripted into the military, and there I cried after it was reported that Channel was in the army. Previously, SM had notified that his departure would be kept close. The location and time of military registration were not notified because at the time he was in quarantine for COVID-19. That night, Channel uploaded the MV of his song with the title Tomorrow. I always listen to the newly released song and cry at the same time because the lyrics are so touched. Even though Channel is in the military, he still uploads YouTube vlogs and posts on Instagram, so fans, don't worry.